Hi, this is Arun from Random Codes. In this video, let's try to figure out the differences between the markup and markdown formats. So as we have gone through both the formats in our earlier videos, let's quickly recap what we have looked at. Markup format uses tags to format the display elements of a document. And on the other side, Markdown format uses text codes to format the display elements of a document. The only difference that we can see is how we format the documents. Both markup and markdown languages has their own use cases, and based on the need we use them. And as we have looked at both the formats, let's quickly open some sample documents in with both the formats and see how they look like. As we already know that HTML is one of the markup languages that we have today. On the left hand side we have a sample document that is written in HTML. We have used HTML tags to structure the document that we have. So where we have used headings 1 to 6, we have also used paragraphs, we have used bold and italic text formatting tags. We have included one unordered list, ordered list. We have used block quote. We have added a link and an image. So all this formatting is being done using the HTML tags. And on the right hand side, we have the markdown file, and we have created the same content using the markdown formatting, where we have used heading levels 1 to 6, paragraph, bold and italic text styling using the syntax that we need to follow for markdown. We have included one unordered list, ordered list, block quote, link, and then the image. If you want to understand more about the markdown syntax, please look at our earlier video where we have provided the URL for learning syntax. This is all about the markup and markdown formats. From our next videos, we will explore more about HTML. That's all for now. I hope this video is useful. Let us know your feedback and suggestions in the comment section. If you like the content, feel free to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you on another video with a different topic. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.